9 side hustles business students can start in 2024. In today's fast-paced world, many business students are seeking opportunities to supplement their income and gain valuable entrepreneurial experience through side hustles. These ventures offer a chance to apply classroom knowledge, develop new skills, and explore potential career paths outside of traditional employment. Whether it's to pay off student loans, fund future endeavors, or simply explore their passions, side hustles provide a flexible and rewarding way for business students to expand their horizons. E-commerce store. With the rise of online shopping, starting an e-commerce store can be a lucrative side hustle for business students. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, sourcing products from wholesalers, or dropshipping popular items, an e-commerce store offers a low barrier to entry and the potential for high profits. Business students can leverage their marketing and analytical skills to create compelling product listings, optimize their website for conversions, and drive traffic through social media marketing and search engine optimization (SEO). Additionally, business students can explore niche markets or emerging trends to differentiate their e-commerce store from competitors and attract a targeted audience. By providing excellent customer service, offering competitive pricing, and continuously refining their product offerings based on customer feedback, business students can build a successful e-commerce brand while balancing their academic commitments. Freelance consulting. Business students possess a wealth of knowledge in areas such as marketing, finance, and management, making freelance consulting a viable side hustle option. Whether it's offering social media strategy sessions, financial planning services, or business development advice, business students can leverage their expertise to help small businesses and entrepreneurs solve problems and achieve their goals. Freelance consulting allows students to set their own rates, work on projects that align with their interests, and gain valuable real-world experience in their chosen field. Moreover, business students can build their consulting business by networking with professionals in their industry, showcasing their expertise through blog posts and case studies, and delivering exceptional results for their clients. Social media management. In today's digital age, businesses of all sizes recognize the importance of maintaining a strong presence on social media platforms. Business students can capitalize on this demand by offering social media management services as a side hustle. From creating engaging content to scheduling posts and analyzing metrics, social media management allows students to leverage their creativity and analytical skills to help businesses grow their online presence and engage with their target audience. Additionally, business students can specialize in specific platforms or industries, such as Instagram marketing for fashion brands or LinkedIn management for B2B companies, to differentiate themselves in the market. Tutoring services. Business students who excel in specific subjects, such as accounting, economics, or marketing, can offer tutoring services to their peers or high school students as a lucrative side hustle. Tutoring allows students to share their knowledge, help others succeed academically, and earn extra income in the process. Business students can offer one-on-one tutoring sessions, group workshops, or online courses tailored to the needs and learning styles of their students. Moreover, business students can leverage their academic achievements and real-world experiences to position themselves as credible and effective tutors. By developing customized lesson plans, providing constructive feedback, and offering additional resources and support outside of sessions, business students can help their students achieve their academic goals while building a rewarding tutoring business. Event planning services. Business students with a knack for organization and creativity can offer event planning services as a side hustle. Whether it's coordinating weddings, corporate events, or social gatherings, event planning allows students to showcase their project management skills and attention to detail while bringing clients' visions to life. Business students can offer full-service event planning, including venue selection, vendor coordination, budget management, and on-site supervision, or specialize in specific aspects of event planning, such as decor or entertainment. Additionally, business students can leverage their network and connections to secure partnerships with venues, vendors, and other event professionals, allowing them to offer comprehensive and high-quality services to their clients. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products without holding inventory or managing fulfillment logistics. Business students can start a dropshipping business as a side hustle by partnering with suppliers to source products, creating an online store, and marketing their products to potential customers. Dropshipping offers low startup costs and minimal risk, making it an attractive option for students looking to dip their toes into entrepreneurship. Moreover, business students can leverage their marketing skills to draw traffic to their online store through social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and search engine optimization (SEO). Content creation services. Content creation encompasses a wide range of mediums, including writing, photography, videography, and graphic design. Business students with creative talents can offer content creation services as a side hustle to businesses and individuals seeking to enhance their online presence. Whether it's crafting blog posts, creating social media graphics, or producing promotional videos, content creators play a vital role in helping brands connect with their audience and convey their message effectively. Additionally, business students can specialize in specific types of content or industries, such as lifestyle blogging, product photography, or brand storytelling, to cater to their clients' needs and stand out in the competitive market. Online coaching or mentoring. Business students who have achieved success in their academic or professional endeavors can offer online coaching or mentoring services to individuals seeking guidance and advice in their own pursuits. Whether it's career coaching, academic mentoring, or personal development coaching, business students can leverage their experiences and insights to help others overcome challenges, set goals, and achieve success. Online coaching allows students to connect with clients from around the world, offering flexibility and scalability in their side hustle venture. Moreover, business students can create coaching programs or courses tailored to specific areas of expertise, such as written writing, interview preparation, or leadership development, to provide structured guidance and support to their clients. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals earn commissions by promoting products or services offered by other companies. Business students can participate in affiliate marketing programs as a side hustle by joining affiliate networks, selecting products or services that align with their interests or niche, and promoting them through their website, blog, social media channels, or email list. Affiliate marketing offers a passive income stream and requires minimal upfront investment, making it an attractive option for students looking to monetize their online presence. Additionally, business students can leverage their marketing skills to create compelling content that educates and inspires their audience, driving conversions and earning commissions through affiliate links. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.